Welcome to the next video of our complete engine rebuild guide. It is now time to remove the exhaust. In today's video we will take a look at what tools we need to complete this job, a step-by-step guide on how to complete it, and in the end we will do a hardware roundup to make sure that we do not lose any of our precious hardware. To make following the content easier, you can pause this video at any moment. That said, let's take a look at what tools we need. For this job we need a ratchet driver, a 13mm socket, and a 17mm socket. With our tools ready, let's take a look at the step-by-step guide on how to get this job done. Start by loosening the bolt on the exhaust manifold collar, which is up here, and that is a 13mm nut. Please note, I removed the Kickstarter just for the sake of showing it better to the camera. It is not required to do so. Loosen it just enough so the collar is slightly loose and it will make it easier to slide it down. Now from the other side of the bike, loosen the exhaust mounting bolt through the swing arm and pull it out. Using both hands and a mild wiggle motion, you can gently pull the exhaust off the manifold. Before we put away the hardware, let's make sure we have everything. The hardware from the exhaust consists of one M10 washer, one M10 lock washer, and an M10 long bolt. The nut on the exhaust collar that we loosened shouldn't come off, so you don't have to bag it individually. Thank you for watching. Click here to get to the next video in this series. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you like this, you can support us on Patreon. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.